Hey guys, this is Ash at Audio 46. Hope you guys are having a great week so far. Okay, so very recently I reviewed Dan Clark Aeon 2 open back headphones, and today I'll be reviewing the closed back ones. So let's see how these are compared to the open back ones. Alright, let's start. Dan Clark Aeon 2 closed back headphones comes with the headphones, 3 sets of dampening pads, cable, adapter, case, manual, and warranty. Okay guys, so in terms of design and fit, I think these are pretty much the same as the open back ones. The thickness of the pads are the same and they sit with an equal level of firmness on your head. And like I said for the open back ones, these also have very light yet secure feeling, which I really like. Lastly, I also like how it falls into a very small form, and I know I made some of you guys a little unhappy because I folded them wrong in my last video for a brief second because I wasn't paying too much attention, so I apologize. So here's how you fold them correctly. Okay, so the low end on these has plenty of detail, and there is a slight emphasis on the bass response. And this bit of a slam you get on the bass response really shines with genres like pop, rock, EDM, and hip-hop. One thing though, I did feel like the open back ones, the bass was a little bit thicker and it had been more of a presence, and also a little bit tighter than the closed back ones. Okay guys, so in the mid-range, there is a close, intimate, and strong presentation, and the vocals do sound close but not too in your face, leaving room for instruments to stand out thanks to retune driver. Also, this meaty and full profile of mid-range sounded really good with genres like classical and jazz. When it comes to the warmness and the body, I think it was pretty similar to, these were pretty similar to the open back ones, but when it comes to the details, I did find the details had more tonality and substance on the open back ones, which overall gave the sound more of a flavorful color. Does that make sense? I meant to say color. Alright, so the highs on these are fairly articulate and it's only bright when it comes to the high highs. And general, like the open back ones, the highs were very smooth, never too bright, never too harsh or sharp. When it comes to the vocals, I think with the open back ones, there was a bit more of an airier display. I hope I said that word right, with more of an air. But when it comes to instruments, I feel like the instruments hit a little bit firmer, harder, and more compressed with the closed back ones. Alright, so as expected, these really have good enough depth and sense of space that works with pretty much all the tracks or all kinds of genres. But of course, compared to the open back had a little bit more dimension and precision when it comes to the placement of the instruments. So you might feel like the soundstage is a little bit flatter compared to the open back. My final thoughts. Okay guys, so like I said for the open back ones, I really enjoyed the spacious soundstage that these ones have for closed back headphones, and I think in general these really do have well balanced sound for all the frequencies. And I can't complain about the fit because these do give you secure feeling, but they feel super light, which I really, really like. So I would definitely recommend it to you guys. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed my review, and that was it for today. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.